Beautiful early morning action.
Maybe that's just another spot. That big.
Looks like a 40-pound grouper.
Thanks.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mr. Park.
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations. You
Thank
got it
you.
now. Nice fish.
Good job. Good guess job.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Woohoo! 저 뒤로 오실 거죠?
Big one up front.
Now?
Hold them up, Jay. Turn them around.
That's a snowy.
Wow.
That's a big snowy.
Yes, looks like it.
Yeah. Yeah, 50 pounds easy.
Okay. You stay over here and let me take some pictures.
What do you want him, Albert?
Right now.
We're gonna get, I think Mike wants you in this picture.
Hey, Albert.
Yes.
For real, take them away a minute at the taxi shop.
Okay.
Tell them what boat you're for tomorrow. It will be good for you and good for us.
Oh yeah.
Okay, looks like good. Good.